In today's video, we're diving into how to add a booking fee in Housecall Pro, and I'll guide you through the steps so you can get this set up quickly and easily. Stick around till the end, because I'll also be sharing a way for you to try Housecall Pro for free, along with some exclusive bonuses you won't find anywhere else. Housecall Pro is an all-in-one tool for service businesses, allowing you to manage bookings, payments, and even customer communication, all from one place. Adding a booking fee can streamline your process and ensure you're getting compensated for your time and resources upfront. Let's walk through it. First, head into your Housecall Pro dashboard. From here, click on Settings in the lower left corner of your screen. This is where you can customize all the essential details of your business. Next, select Payment Settings from the menu. This is where you'll configure any fees associated with your services, including a booking fee. Now, you'll see the option to add a booking fee. Click on Add Fee and select Booking Fee from the drop-down. Here, you'll enter the amount you want to charge. You can choose to make this a flat rate or a percentage of the total job cost, depending on how you want to structure your business. Once you've entered the booking fee, you can also decide if you want to apply this fee to all your jobs or only certain services. This flexibility ensures that you can customize your pricing based on the job type, client, or situation. Make sure to also enable the option that shows your customers the fee upfront when they book. This transparency helps prevent surprises and makes sure they know exactly what to expect. This is an important step, as it ensures the booking fee is included in the customer's initial estimate or invoice. Once you've set your booking fee, don't forget to save your changes. Now, every time a customer books a job through Housecall Pro, they'll see the fee added to their total price automatically. That's it. You've now added a booking fee to your Housecall Pro account. It's a quick and simple setup that can make a huge difference to your business by ensuring you're covered for your time and effort. But before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try Housecall Pro completely free from the first link in the description below. This gives you access to all the features we've talked about and much more, with an extended free trial exclusive to our viewers. If you're running a service-based business, this is the perfect tool to help you manage everything from bookings to payments, saving you time and effort. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link below to get started with Housecall Pro for free and claim your exclusive bonuses.